Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Bank of America app for paying insurance premiums step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For iPhone users, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, locate and tap the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Bank of America and press enter. Look for the Bank of America app in the search results. Ensure the app shows the official logo. Tap on the Bank of America app to view its details. Check the app's rating and reviews for assurance. If you are satisfied, tap the Download or Get button. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installation is complete, open the app by tapping Open. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you are a new user, select the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Verify your identity through the required security measures. Once logged in, locate the Payments section in the app. Select the option for paying insurance premiums. Enter the necessary payment details as prompted. Review the amount and confirm the payment information. Tap on the Submit or Pay button to complete your transaction. You will receive a confirmation message once the payment is processed. Make sure to log out of the app if using a shared device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.